Hi everyone, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. So, the way we sell our training is that we offer our dealerships an initial 2-day training event in their dealership. Now, the goal behind this is two phases, two parts. Number one is to make sure that the dealership and their staff buy into our training ideas and concepts. Because obviously, when we go into a dealership, goal number two is we want to make sure that we have success. So by doing this, we allow the team to want the training, which once they want the training, then makes it more effective in the dealership. So we went to a dealership about 30 days ago, and we did 2 days of initial training. Now, as part of this training, we also do a little bit of an analysis, and we determined that this dealership was leaving around $2.3 to $2.4 million on the table of missed opportunities. Now, this is in their sales department, and we base this on their volume, their grosses, their F&I, how they handle inbound, outbound phone calls, their marketing, everything. Now, we have a fee for our training, and the general manager wants to negotiate that fee. Well, unfortunately, we don't do that. We feel that it's fair that everybody pays the same price. So he has come back to us now and said, unless you can save me $500, give me some sort of discount, I am going to pass. You're going to pass. So for $500, you have brought us out to your dealership. We've inspired your team. Your team wants this. We have isolated $2.3 to $2.4 million in lost opportunities. And to save $500, you are going to pass. You have got to be kidding me. And this is the way our industry works. Now, I understand why we are used to negotiating with car buyers. Let me say it again. $2.3 to $2.4 million in lost opportunities. And because I would not discount the training $500, he is going to pass. Don't know what else to say. Good luck, everyone.